Yeah, I just need to box up my refrigerator. I'm getting a new refrigerator today. I can't wait. I'm very excited, but I don't know if my old refrigerator is going to fit in this box. It's kind of small. Oh wait, I know. I'm about the same height as my refrigerator. If I can fit in the box, then I know that it'll fit. So let me just test it out here. I can fit in here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a perfect fit.
This is too good to be true.
Ow! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ow, that really hurt. Who could have done that? Evil kid must have done it.
Evil kid.